This is a quick video for a Morbark 12-inch capacity chipper. Take you through the unit real quick so you can see it firsthand. Purchased this unit back in October of 13. We did a complete service at that point with 2,932 hours on it. We currently have 2,937 hours. So I used it all of 5 hours. Everything on the unit works as it should, and engine is nice and strong. Just take a quick look inside. It's been sitting out here, so it is a little dirty. When we did the service, it included all filters, including hydraulic, fuel, oil, air, as well as all those fluids. And we also sharpened the blades and made sure the transmission was up to snuff. Again, this is a 12-inch capacity unit. Here's a name tag here. Get you on there. Side of the unit. Tires in okay shape. It is trailerable, but I would not use it on a daily basis without changing out those tires. The feeders. Again, everything was gone over on that complete service, including a new battery. Chute adjusts and turns as it should. Transmission, again, nice and strong. Go ahead and close it up. Start it up for you. Just real quick, as you can see, forward and reverse work just fine on the feeder. Transmission pops in and out nicely. Again, this is a Morbark 12-inch model 290. The only other thing I wanted to show you is, although this tire holds air well, it does have a gash here on the side. We did trailer it. We did have the bearings all checked and things like that. But again, it's one of those things that if this is an everyday service unit for you, you should get those tire chains. Lights again work, and everything's working as it should. The only thing in question, and it may be because we only had this on for a minute here, temperature gauge didn't seem to move, but again, that could be only because we did not have it running long enough.